morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Friday, the 14th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs with offices in Needham, Concord, Danvers, and on Cape Cod. So I missed it yesterday. I have one of those summer colds that's actually kind of wrecked me pretty bad. So just kind of doing this quick this morning. It's going to be a little quicker. And if it sounds like I'm a little out of it, I am a little out of it. So the good thing is the forecast looks easy. Sunshine today, tomorrow. Sunday, we're going to start with sun, end up with clouds, maybe a few showers. I think they should hold off till late in the day or more likely after sunset, but it's not going to surprise me if the thing sped up and they got in here a little bit earlier later Sunday. So be aware of that. Uh, Temperatures will be right around 80 degrees. It's going to be in the 50s at night. Great for sleeping. Monday morning, there might be a leftover shower, and then it's back to the sunshine. We continue with the dry and warm pattern. And that's all I got today, folks. Have a great weekend. Enjoy this wonderful weather.